We are looking at learner diversity. This looks at exceptionalities and ability. Part 1 specifically is about learning disabilities. Remember, all the areas of diversity recognized by national organizations, this one falls right here. So first of all, when you think of diversity in your classroom, there is diversity, differences in all these things. So is it even remotely possible to think that you can offer the same curriculum to all students at the same level? Students are not standardized products. They all have different abilities and interests. We need to help students find these ability and interests if we are going to help them reach their full potential. And that's one of the goals of education. I believe, you don't have to, that the purpose of the schools is to help every child reach his or her full potential. That means we need to differentiate the curriculum or the learning experience somehow, because there is no such thing as a standardized student. We will be talking about curriculum differentiation later, but big picture, know that we must, to be real educators, differentiate the curriculum in order to meet the needs of all students, make different. So what is a learning disability? You can pause right here and read this to your own pleasure, or you can let me give you an overview. It is defined by the U.S. Department of Education, and there are many different definitions of intelligence. It is imperfect ability to do these things. There's another definition. You can pause right here if you wish. But it is a condition within the student, and it does affect their learning or ability to learn relative to their potential. Definition says, and I know this gets fuzzy, potential or ability is here, achievement is there, there's a gap, students aren't learning. How can we bridge the gap? Okay. Discrepancy between ability and performance, I just talked about that. Now, learning disability is not necessarily a thinking disability. It's a students, it's not all the low kids by definition. Students simply have trouble with a certain kind of data. Unless we help them, learned helplessness is going to set in. They learn that no matter what they do, that they can't experience success. Quick overview of learning diversities. You'll get more of this in your other classes.